So we already know that the derivative with respect to x of cotangent of x equals negative cosecant squared of x, all right? But in this video, we're going to be trying to get the derivative with respect to x of cotangent inverse of x, all right? And how are we going to do that? Basically, if we have, let's say, if we're faced with the problem y equals cotangent inverse of x, and we need to find what the dy dx is in this case, basically the first thing we're going to do is, all right, from here, we want to basically rewrite this in something we know how to differentiate. Let's say if we place cotangent on both sides, we're going to end up with cotangent of y equals x, all right? And then from here, right, if we do implicit differentiation, let's say differentiating with respect to x, differentiate cotangent of y, and then differentiating x with respect to x as well, we are going to end up with basically negative cosecant squared of y dy dx, and this is implicit differentiation, equals to, if you differentiate x with respect to x, you can end up with 1, right? And then from here, we want to rewrite this in such a way that dy dx stands by itself on one side of the equal sign. So we're going to end up with dy dx equals negative 1 all over cosecant squared of x of y. All right, but then from here, basically, we don't really, this is not our final answer because we want our answer to be in terms of x since we're differentiating with respect to x, but in this case this is in terms of y. All right, so here we'll have to play a little games. So basically using the trigonometric identity sine squared of y plus cosine squared of y equals 1. All right, if we divide everything by sine squared of y, we're going to end up with, this will be 1 plus, all right, cotangent squared of y equals cosecant squared of y, all right? And then from here, we can basically substitute, all right, this cosecant squared of y with this, and that will give us dy dx equals negative 1 all over 1 plus cotangent squared of y from here, all right? And then if I rewrite this as negative 1 over 1 plus cotangent of y, all that squared, and we know that cotangent of y equals x, our final answer will be negative 1 over 1 plus x squared, all right? Therefore, if you're solving any problems where you have to basically find the inverse of cotangent and it's in any form, your general solution will always be, if you're differentiating this with respect to x, cotangent inverse of a equals to negative a prime, which is the derivative of a, divided by 1 plus a squared. That's it. Thank you.